Do you know what offers win most of the time in this market right now where there's multiple offers? Cash offers. And who has cash to buy a home? Most people don't. But today at the Kaminsky Real Estate Group, we now have a program where we can give you our cash to make a purchase on a home. So you can compete with these cash buyers, or at least compete with other buyers that are offering with getting a loan. The program can save you money and make you a winner now for the home of your dreams. How does it work? You simply apply for the program. The company will pre-qualify you to make sure you're qualified to purchase that home and can actually get a home loan and guarantee that you'll get a home loan. They will come in and buy the home all cash for you. And then as soon as your loan is ready, they'll apply the loan to the home and you just pay your normal payments as you would with any other home loan. Now, why would they do this? There's really two reasons. They do have a program fee to cover the costs of the money that they're giving you temporarily while you buy the home. And they are making the home loan for you. Ultimately, like any other lender, which they are a lender, they make a little bit of profit when you get a home loan. So this is why they do it. The program is incredible for someone that wants to beat somebody else out when making an offer in these multiple offer situations. I've been in this business 35 years, and a few times my clients have lost offers, and they've written good offers, very well qualified, pre-approvals in hand, down payment ready to go. Someone slides in with a cash offer. It's nice to have a tool now that can beat those buyers out. It can save you money in the long run, because if you're locking in today's prices as opposed to losing out on offer after offer after offer, the next thing you know, you're buying 3, 4, 5, 6 months later when prices have moved up 5% or 8%, which is likely to happen in a low inventory market. It can save you tens of thousands of dollars. To learn more about this program, just put your information in below and we'll see if it's a match for you.